Okay. Please tell me your name.
Sir, my name is Subrasmita Mahapatra.
Okay. Do you remember your roll number for this exam?
Yes, sir.
What is?
305513.
305513. Okay. Now give me a formal introduction without telling your name and your domicile, means your home district.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I tell my father's and mother's name?
No. आपनकर कौन हो? चारिटा कंपोनेंट कहते पड़िबो. फर्स्ट आपन कहबे आपनकर ओके. First most important answer जोड़ा that you have to say is your highest qualification. I am post graduate में है सेटा कहबे नंबर 1. Second हला I am a current status. I am preparing for competitive exams. I am working as a I am doing my research setup.
Okay.
Third component is the hobby. My hobbies are A&M. And number 4 is that you will say what are your achievements? Achievements of each.
So academic achievements, can I say?
All achievements है academic achievements है सिगो, co-curricular achievements है
Okay,
सिगो, research achievements है सिगो, academic professional achievements है सिगो जो मैंने काम करचुं चाकरी करचुं. Okay, all kinds of achievements.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है से ये तो शीट टा मत. So author comes. Please give me a formal introduction.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am a postgraduate in agroforestry from Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Madhya Pradesh. Now I am currently preparing for competitive examinations, and I am an enthusiast, and my hobbies are dancing. In my UG career, undergraduation career, I got the university gold medal. And in my post-graduation career also, I got the gold medal, sir.
Okay. So you are very good in academics. After post-graduation, why didn't you go for higher academics, PhD and all?
Sir, actually, I was preparing for this examination, and my parents did not allow me to go for further because all the institutions are very far away from Odisha, so I was not also willing to go there.
Okay, fine. So, but then you can now also join the academia.
Yes, sir.
Academics as a in teaching and all,
Yes.
right? So why are you interested for forest service? You give me some good reasons why you are interested for forest service.
Yes, sir. Actually, I joined in the forest department and as a student in my UG career.
You joined in the forest department.
Department of Forestry in Agriculture, sir. College of Forestry.
Join means what? You as a job?
No, sir. As a student, I joined.
Okay, you did some internship kind of thing.
No, I completed my UG, sir. Not intensive. The full course I completed there.
Okay.
So, in my UG career, I went there for the forestry subject, and I get some good knowledge there. And in the post graduation also, I did my post graduation in agroforestry. So I got a very good experience in forestry subjects, and I choose to go for the forest department services, sir.
Okay. Okay. So tell me, without mentioning the year,
Yes.
just tell me your date and month of birth. Don't tell me the year, only date and month.
3rd February, sir.
3rd February. What is the importance of 3rd February? Means on that day, what is observed or celebrated? Which great personality was born on that day? Okay, Odia personality or maybe international or national. Okay, famous personality. एटा प्रिपेयर करिए. एटा गोटे प्रिपेयर करिए. सेकंड है ना आपनकर जोटा जो दिन इंटरव्यू अछि
Okay,
केबे
sir.
अछि
9th of.
9th तो 9th रो इंपोर्टेंस
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
ठीक अछि तो आप काली आसले जो टाइम रे आपन इंटरव्यू रहउची सेप्टेम्बर 1 रु सेप्टेम्बर 15 पर्यंत सबूर इंपोर्टेंस डेट्स रो कोन अछि जे दिया जिवो बट सेटा टिके ताको देखिते
Yes, sir.
ओके
सर रीजन टा जो कहबे मु
नहीं हाँ सेटा केमती कहबे सेटा से वीडियो देखला पर इंटरव्यू जेते भी ओपिनियन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस पचरा हुए ताको एन्यूमरेशन फॉर्मेट रे आंसर देबे
Okay, sir.
सर माय फर्स्ट रीजन इज दिस
Yes.
माय सेकंड रीजन इज दिस माय थर्ड रीजन इज आपन केतेटा रीजन थिबो
Okay, okay, sir.
ठीक अछि
Okay, sir.
रीजन जोटा थिबो इट मे बी वेरी पर्सनल एंड इमोशनल फॉर एग्जांपल एटा मोर चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम
Yes, sir.
सो इट इज आल्सो क्वाइट रैशनल कि जणा पिला बळु से तरह जतले से भी बुझी नै ठीक रे कोन जिंस रे किंतु तार गोटे चाइल्डहुड अटैचमेंट
Yes, sir.
किंबा other personal or psychological area जीव आपन पेरेंट्स फॉर एक्सपेक्टेशन
Or sir, like I said that during my course of subject like UG and PG, I got some attachment to the forestry subjects. So I chose for forest department services, sir. Okay, sir.
ଆଉ ତାପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ରହିବ other security, job security,
Okay, okay, sir.
stability of the job,
Okay, sir.
social prestige.
Okay, sir.
Okay, social prestige टा गोटे prestige or you know that is a social construct, but still then सेटा गोटे रहउची.
Okay, sir.
Good compensation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, salary जोटा and service conditions. तो salary का दरकार नहीं, service conditions का नहीं कर देनी.
Okay,
से salary सब included.
Okay.
Okay, जोटा rational जिनिस कहबा point हिसाब रे कहबा.
Okay,
first
sir.
reason
My
is
first.
second, third, fourth, fifth.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. Any related question, any question on opinion.
Okay,
What
sir.
do you think? अपना कौन भाव जे यार. Okay, आओ जो लैंग्वेज रो पचरो से लैंग्वेज रो ओडिया रो पचरो ओडिया इंग्लिश रो पचरो इंग्लिश.
Okay, sir.
एमती होगा तो ना से ओडिया रो पचरो कि आपने इंग्लिश आंसर करो.
Acha.
ठीक है. And vice versa also. If they are asking in English, try to speak in English.
So they can ask in Odia also?
हाँ, बहुत जन को ओडिया रो पचरो. ओडिया इंग्लिश किसी की पचरो नहीं चल.
Okay, sir.
सी जो भाषा रो पचरो हम से थे पहले. Okay. Right. Okay, so tell me something about your district Khordha. Khordha is your home district, right?
Yes, sir.
So tell me about your home district, especially its geography, some great personalities from Khordha and the forest resources of Khordha.
Okay, sir. So, Khordha is a very, I don't say it's a very large district, but it is a district nearby Bhubaneswar, and Bhubaneswar itself comes under Khordha district, and it's about its geography. It is a highland area, and good amount of forest cover is there in Khordha. We can say the Barbara forest and the Barunei forest are very vast amount of forest which our forest department developed in the recent years, and some urban forestry are also there, and some medicinal gardens are there in Khordha which provide good amount of oxygen to the Khordha district, and a industrial belt is present in Khordha near Barunei, and about the forest resources, Khordha is richly diverse in forest resources, and teak, some neem and gambhar, these are major plant. Teak is the most dominating plant in our Khordha district, and in minor forest produce we have bamboo and some grasses and medicinal plants like aola, harida, bahada, and in some area sandalwood is also found, like it's a plantation area, and we also found sandalwood in that, and some rare sandals are also found in that in our Khordha district, sir.
Okay. So, what are the main problems your district faces? 3 problems at least you can tell me.
So the first problem is joblessness. Currently, most of the people in our Khordha district are having no job. Still, they are graduate and postgraduate, but they do not have job. And the second most important thing is going on is like drugs is very much prevalent in our Khordha district, I must say. Most of the people are involved in drugs, and and the third problem is roads, sir. Definite and the wide road system is not there, so Khordha is facing very congestion for this.
Okay. So these are some of your problems according to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So also tell me in Khordha, okay, some great personalities who have made Odisha proud.
Yes, sir. In 1857 revolt and in 1817 revolt, Paika rebellion, Jairaj Guru was the main personality from Khordha, and he did a very great job against the British rule, and they saved the land of the farmers. And although he did a very good job to fight to the last point, but he did not save his life, and he got martyred. And the second personality is Dr. Prananatha Patnaik, who is also a freedom fighter, and a name and a college of Prananatha College is named after him. Third. And the third personality is Dr. Sachidananda Rautrai, who is a great poet, and he has written a very good number of poetry based on our district also, and our village also, and Odisha. So these are three personalities I can remember, sir, now.
Okay, good. So what is the percentage of forest cover in your district?
Sir, in my district, sorry, sir. Okay, sir.
So you know the Indian State of Forests report?
Yes, sir.
So that is published in how many years?
Sir, in 2 years. It's a biennial report.
It's a biennial report. Okay. And who publishes it?
Survey of India, sir.
Survey of India. Are you sure, or it is MOEF?
So who publishes, sir, is MOEF, sir.
Okay. So now coming to your school. So you did your 10th standard from which school?
Sir, I did my 10th from Government Girls High School, Khordha.
Okay. And 12th?
12th from Prananatha Autonomous College, Khordha.
You just told about.
Yes.
Okay. So after plus 2, why did you join forestry? You have done your graduation in forestry.
Yes,
or
sir.
agriculture?
Forestry.
Forestry. You could have joined like medical science or engineering or law, or so many options are there. You give me some reasons why you have chosen, or you at that time you had chosen forestry.
So after my plus 2, sir, I was having a keen interest in medical science, and I also wanted to join the medical science, but since I have given the forestry OUAT entrance and I got a rank, so my father told me to go to the go for the OUAT, and because it is nearby my residence area, and when I went there, I according to my rank I got and I selected for the forestry and fishery, sir. But I chose forestry because it can I thought it can give me a lot of knowledge about wildlife and forest resources of our country and my state also. I am having a keen interest in wildlife from my childhood, so I chose forestry, sir.
Okay. Good. So now coming to your university, can you tell me the insignia of your university, that logo and that motto?
So in my under graduation sir.
OUT
Yes sir. Sir.
এটা দেখিবে
Okay, okay.
institutions attend କରିଛନ୍ତି ତା ଉପରେ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବେ
Okay sir.
okay right tell me something about India's performance in the recently concluded Olympics.
Sir, in recent Olympics, India got a gold medal in and sir, I am not sure how much bronze and silver are there.
They're both important, right?
Okay, okay, sir.
So, okay.
Yes, sir. So all the names I have to remember.
Yes, basically, I'm Sakati medal.
Yes.
Okay, so anything like both would okay. So, tell me now, in India,
Yes, sir.
okay, what is the current forest cover and what are the methods the government uses or is using to increase forest cover? So, and from 2017 to 2019, forest cover has increased or decreased or remained the same, etc.
So currently the India's forest cover is 24.56%,
Okay.
and India is using the satellite based method to calculate the forest cover. This is ResourceSat 2 and in lease 3, and it is based on two types of forest cover. It is forest cover and the tree cover. Tree cover outside the forest area, sir, and the two are calculated and what the next one? And the method now India is using to increase its forest cover, sir, one is Green India Mission, and second one is it is also collaborating in lots of international organization to develop its forest cover or to increase its forest cover, and it is doing urban plantation in all of the urban areas. Next, India is setting its goal to achieve the sustainable development goal in 2030, and in that also India is doing to increase its green cover. Then United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, in this organization India is also a member to reduce its desert area and to increase its tree cover. Recently India launched a bold scheme where bamboo are going to be planted in Rajasthan desert area, and the bamboo will come from the Assam and it will be planted there, so it will reduce the desertification in that area and it will increase the green cover. In Chambal basin also India is doing the agroforestry and forest plantation due to its ravine land and the soil erosion. India is going to save the soil of that area and increase the forest cover. Then through Campa fund also India is providing much more quantity of money to every forest department to increase the forest cover through plantation.
Okay. So, tell me something according to you, what is the effect of COVID-19,
Yes, sir.
okay, on the society in general, long term and short term?
So COVID-19 started in 2019, sir, and from 2019 till we are facing the problem of COVID-19. So in these 2 years, people suffered a lot, and due to lockdown, people are not able to go outside to earn a single rupee, and COVID-19 has also impacted on the health of each and every family, and the family also suffered due to loss of their belongings, and I must say that COVID-19 impacted the youth a lot, because the youth are now jobless, and the exams which are going to be conducted by every state is now delaying, or they are holding the exam. So people are suffering joblessness. They are not also switching to any company, or companies are also scrapping out other people. And I must say the most loss faced by the students, those who are school going, the complete 2 years lost can't be recovered, and it's a huge loss to our students. And with this loss, India can go backward in the economic condition. And
okay, what is about Odisha? How it has been managed here?
So in COVID situation, Odisha performed very well. As we can see in our media is covering a lot of cases, and our Chief Minister is doing very good job in COVID-19, and to cure it and to eradicate it from Odisha. Odisha did the vaccination, full 100% vaccination in Bhubaneswar first, and it provided Covaxin to all the Bhubaneswar resident people, which is very effective against COVID-19. And in all our hospitals, Odisha provided bed to all the COVID-19 patients, and the oxygen requirement to the COVID-19 patient, and all the workers and doctors and nurses also did their job 100% to handle the situation. Then Odisha launched many more schemes for the COVID-19 patients who have lost their parents, who lost their everything in COVID-19. Then a scheme was launched, I forgot, oxygen on van was launched by Odisha government to provide immediate oxygen requirement those who are facing the oxygen problem. Then vaccination also was done in a very seamless manner without any problem, and still people are getting vaccinated. And to the every nook and corner of the Odisha, government is providing its support and vaccination systems.
Okay, many experts basically say that the health, okay, should be brought to the concurrent list. Can you tell me health subject that is under which list now?
So it is in state list now.
What is your opinion? Should it be brought?
Yes, sir. It should be brought to the concurrent list. So at any time, any state government is facing any problem, state government can make its law. Or if central government wants to change its health system, then central government can form a law. So according to our 15th Finance Commission also, Dr. N.K. Singh also suggested that India should have a 8% of its 8% for its health coverage. So I must think, sir, ki health should be in the concurrent list. So both the government can give their effort for the health improvement.
Okay. You know about 5T of the government of Odisha?
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about it. What are the 5 T's? First tell me that.
Sir, I forgot. Sir, I will work on this.
Yes, this is very important.
Okay, sir. Okay.
This is very, very important. So, okay. So, you have heard about the Kaliya Yojana or
Yes,
the
sir.
Kaliya scheme.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
And who is the brother of Kaliya?
So Balaram.
Okay. So any scheme in that name?
Yes, sir. Balaram scheme is there also.
Okay, so tell me.
So it is also a agricultural scheme to provide incentive to the farmers, and
Hmm. What are the features of that scheme?
sorry, sir.
Okay. Fine. So,
Sir, I will go through all the schemes for agricultural farmers,
agriculture, yes,
forest.
forestry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, currently, what is the caseload? Like daily, how many cases are seen? We are seeing in India.
So in COVID-19,
Hmm. Yesterday, for example. I mean, just not exact figure. There's the approximate range.
so approximately 30,000, 25 to 30,000 cases are seen every day in India till now, sir. Currently also.
25-30 only Kerala is reporting for the last 2-3 days. Okay, it's around 40-45. Okay.
Okay, sir.
सही जिस और देखी रहे न्यूज़ जुड़ा है तेरा.
Okay, sir.
Right. Currently, Paralympics is also going on.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
aware? Which country? In which country it is being held? Paralympics.
Sir, actually, I don't read any sports news.
Okay, you're not interested in sports?
No, sir.
Okay, anyway. It is going on in Tokyo. Okay, same place.
Okay, same place. Okay, sir.
So, what medals India has won there also? By the time of the interview, सेटा बेटी के देखिए.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है सर.
Okay, sir.
It are important. So, okay. Any particular programs or projects that you know which the government of Odisha has undertaken for COVID management? Tell me something about that.
Particular program, sir?
Mm-hmm. Okay, you told one thing that the government of Odisha gave Covaxin. Okay,
Yes, sir.
one type of vaccine to the people of the capital, and for the rest of the people of the state, Covishield was given.
Yes, sir.
This policy has been criticized by some people,
Yes,
and by the critics. What is your opinion? That everyone should have been given the same, injection or same vaccine. What is your view of that?
So if government is providing a vaccine to the people, then I must say it should give the same vaccine to everybody, so that there should not be any comparison between the people, among the people. But depending upon the situation and the vaccine production, government did this, and we cannot blame government on that. That it provided Covaxin only to the Bhubaneswar people and capital people, and other are given the Covishield. It depends upon the situation and the production capacity of institute, sir. And yes, government can do that, and it can also now also government can provide Covaxin to the rest of the people who has not been vaccinated, sir.
Okay, fine. So, coming to your hobbies, what are your hobbies?
Sir, Odissi dance.
Odissi dance.
Yes, sir.
You have taken some institutional
Yes.
training.
Yeah, I have completed my Bisarad in Odissi dance, sir.
That means it is equivalent to what? Degree or post-graduation or what?
Sir, it is equivalent to a post-graduation, sir.
Okay, so for how many years you have been learning?
Sir, I learned, actually I completed, it's very early, and now I am just practicing sometimes when I get time I practice, and I completed it in sir on 2008 also. I completed my whole course on Odissi dance.
Okay.
So it's a 1-year course, like every year you have to give the exam and you will get the certificate of course completion.
Okay. So tell me something about the recent crisis or border crisis between India and Nepal. You are aware of that? The earlier Prime Minister of Nepal, he was saying that, you know, some of the Indian territories also belong to them.
Yes, sir.
So tell me something about it.
Sir, I will work on it, sir. International relation,
Okay.
I will definitely work on it, sir. Territory.
Okay, fine. So, Odissi dance, how many, like, what are the, just give me some details regarding Odissi dance, what are the styles and, you know, some technical details, etc.
Sir, Odissi dance is our traditional dance and it's a classical dance of Odisha. So it is basically of 5 types. First one is Mangala Charana, then Bhattu, then Pallavi, then Abhinaya, then Moksha. These are the 5 stages of Odissi dance. When we proceed, we learn each stage one by one. In Mangala Charana, sir, I can explain or.
Just tell me, in theory, what is basically
Yes, sir. In
5 parts you have said, that
yes,
is
sir.
fine. You learned from whom? Who is your guru?
Srimati Malavika Patnaik.
Okay.
Guru.
And tell me at least 3 great exponents internationally acclaimed of Odissi dance. At least one of them should be a foreigner.
So, from Odisha, Guru Sri Kelucharana Mahapatra and Sri Pankaj Charana Das and
Women dancers?
Sir Srimati Sujata Mahapatra and so I am forgetting someone's name who is she's a very good Mahari dancer, sir.
Okay. Who are you talking about? Sonal Mansi?
No, sir.
Okay, then find out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Instead of the major name, right? Okay. So
This is very good in Mahari dance. He performs Mahari dance in Rath Yatra also in front of Jagannath, Lord Jagannath.
okay. Any other one of famous dancers who is not in the world now? Woman dancer, very famous Odissi dancer.
I don't know.
I'll just give you a hint. Sanjukta.
Sanjukta Panigrahi, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, your hobby, that is Odissi dance. What have you learned from that, and how it is going to help you in your career in forest services? What are the things you have learned, from Odissi dance?
So Odissi dance, being a classical dance, it is very expressive and lots of emotions I learnt from the Odissi dance, like anger and hashya. So can I tell in Odissi language or?
Normally, you can say. If you can, then don't use technical language.
Okay, sir. So I go. I learned a lot of emotions from Odissi dance. When we used to dance, in every stage of our dance performance, the emotion changes according to the rhythmic and the music system. So we perform hashya, we perform our anger, we perform our like love, we perform some gratitude, and we perform our bhakti. So these are the basic things which a human being needs in everyday life. So I learned all this and inculcated in my own character also. So, sir, I think this is going to be a very helpful in like performing my whole career in forest department. So I have to deal with my colleagues. So while talking to them or while advising them, I can use these emotions towards them, sir.
ଆପଣ ଏମିତି କହିପାରିବେ କି ଲାଇକ୍ ତାର ଯେମିତି ଜେନେରାଲ ଇଏ ଯେମିତି କି ଇଟ୍ ଟିଚେସ୍ ଡିସିପ୍ଲିନ୍, ଇଟ୍ ଟିଚେସ୍ ଟାଇମିଂ,
Timing, yes, sir.
ଏଇ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଆପଣ ତାକୁ ଇଏ କରିପାରିବେ।
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I can say also like in the like with the music we learned how to manage the time also. Like the rhythmic system also gives us the knowledge about timing. In what time we have to use what dance steps, sir. Can I say, sir? It gives us a learning about timing, sir.
Timing, then discipline. Okay.
Yes.
So ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଆଉ ବି କେତେ ଜିନିଷ ଆପଣ ଭାବିକି ସେଟା କହିବେ।
Yes.
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି।
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So you have taken what are your options for this exam?
So first optional is my forestry and second optional is agriculture, sir.
Can you tell me what is polyploidy?
Sir, polyploidy is a genetic thing in which a character of one species is like doubled or tripled, and the gene sequence is doubled or tripled, sir. It's a polyploidy.
Okay. And what are its components?
Components. So like euploidy, aneuploidy.
Yes.
Diploid.
Okay. So the government of Odisha has sponsored the Indian hockey team for next 10 years.
Yes, sir.
So, do you agree with what the government is doing? We are spending a lot of money. Okay. Do you agree with it?
Yes, sir. Like sponsoring a sports and that our national sports is not bad, and government is no other government is taking the responsibility, and Odisha is taking the responsibility to sponsor hockey team. So I am very proud of Odisha government. Like he is saving our sports which is not performed by everybody, and a lot of Odisha player are also enthusiasts in hockey. So and it is performing well also, and in recent Olympic also it performed very well, and government is also sponsoring for the girls team, sir, and so that a lot of girls are getting exposed in sports who are willing to bring up their career, or who are not getting enough chances. So the backward district areas girls are also getting chance in these sports. So government is doing very well, I must say that.
Okay. You are aware of the national education policy?
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about it and why it is important.
Sir, all the component I have to remember in.
No, overall you can say.
Like sir, I have to start from the history, like the national education will when the
No,
policy.
current new national education policy. Okay, just tell about that. What are the changes it is bringing?
Sir, in the new education policy, the policy is became very flexible in itself. In graduation or post graduation, in previous times, people are sticked to only one subject, but in this policy, people can achieve two subjects simultaneously. And this is very flexible, and also we can get a double or triple certificate in 2 or 3 subjects simultaneously in 1 year, also in 1, 2 or 3 years. So this is a very good policy, because getting a 1 degree job, 1 degree course, people are facing a very job crisis. So if we will get 2 or 3 degrees, then we can have a very good exposure to different kinds of jobs, sir. And
Okay. Right. So my last question to you would be, what is the importance of, or you can say rather, if I rephrase the question, according to you, what are the 3 most important characteristics that a civil servant should have? 3 most important.
yes, the first most important thing, he should be disciplined. And then second one is he should be polite to his colleagues. And third important thing is he should perform his duty according to his according to his moralness or ethics, sir, I must say.
Okay.
So can't I say this, or
It's fine. Samsung work upon the explain it.
so if they ask me that what are the ethics like a civil servant should follow, or like different people have different ethics, sir.
No, but when you are working for the public, for public organization,
Yes, sir.
your personal ethics, okay, the collective ethics has to be there.
Okay, sir.
According to the rule book, you have to work. Okay, so that is very, very important.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, so that will be the end of the interview.
Thank you, sir.
So if we give the marks out of 200 for this interview, you will get around 120. Try to make it around 150. Okay, कौन improvements होगा? अगर answer दो जल्दी.
I guess.
Okay, out के confidence answer दो. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Next, आज eye contact अपन करो around 90 plus थिला. Eye contact 100% पर आप चेष्टा करें.
Okay, sir.
See अपन देखो कि ना, but अपन को okay.
Yes, sir.
पूरा अच्छी eye to eye contact करेगा. Eye contact must be 100%. Third है ना कि mirror interview ठीक है practice करिए at least 2 hours.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have to complete the whole syllabus of forestry and agriculture.
Only the syllabus में जो terms लिखा है जी,
Okay, sir.
ता ऊपर अपन को आसिया होता है. ठीक है? जाके ता ऊपर पहुँचा के you should be able to see. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.